Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the polishing machine. So let's get started. So our objective is to study the polishing machine, and we are using one of the polishing machine which is available in our material science lab. The specimen for this experiment we are using mild steel. So as in the last video, we had studied about the metallurgical microscope, and we have also seen the microstructure of mild steel specimen on the metallurgical microscope. So, in order to prepare a specimen for microstructure examination, the specimen need to be prepared through two type of polishing. One is rough polishing and the second one is fine polishing. So, for the rough polishing a specimen, we use various grades of abrasive papers. So as the grades of abrasive paper increases, their fineness also increases. Whereas for the fine polishing, after the rough polishing, we use polishing machine. So here come the application of polishing machine. So the main function of polishing machine is to get mirror like surface which is perfectly flat and without any scratches, so that microstructure of the specimen can be clearly seen. Alright, now let's understand the principle of polishing machine. So polishing machine is consist of base plate, polishing cloth, clamping ring, this orange one, and polishing disc. So as we have already discussed that polishing machine is used for fine polishing, and how it is done. So firstly the specimen is pasted with any of the abrasive paste. In our case we are using alumina grade 1 paste, alumina grade 2 paste and alumina grade 3 paste. Then after applying the paste on the specimen is held firmly and press gently against the rotating disc, this one. And finally, when the polishing is done, till the scratch free and mirror like surface is obtained. So this is how we can prepare our specimen for the microstructure examination. Now we will watch a video which shows how this complete process is done.
Now we are conducting an experiment on a study of a diamond polishing machine. Where we use it for polishing a specimen for checking the microstructure on microscope. Before coming to this machine, polishing machine, we have to pass through this specimen on various emery paper to polish this specimen. The number of emery paper start from 80, 120, 220, 300, 400 and 600. And then comes the polishing paper, that is 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, 4 by 0. After that only we have to polish this specimen on this polishing machine. This is known as diamond polishing machine. This is, we got the medium to apply during the polishing. This is polishing alumina grade 1, 2 and 3. We can check this. This is the polishing alumina grade. It's quite rough compared to other grades of the alumina. This two grade, this is fine. This is rough. This one is fine. This is more fine than number 1. Okay. So we have to apply this on the. We have to apply this on the specimen like this, and we have to run the disc of the machine, and cap it like this. So it will start polishing, and while polishing this we will apply the water to this cap. You will see this how it is getting shining up. So like this we will apply grade 1 polish, then after some time we will apply grade 2, then grade 3, and we got this. This is the felt paper, this is felt cloth. These are also in a different grain size to polish the specimen. We have to change this one by one. We got the 3 felt cloth for polishing the specimen. So this is the process of polishing a specimen on this polishing machine.